This is me saying thank you. Thank you so much for your support. 1,000 subs and growing. Thank you for pushing me to make more contents. Love you. Yeah, so in the past few weeks, the weather has been very dry, and I thought of making something to keep my skin hydrated, and I decided to share it with you all. We'll be using cucumber and aloe vera to make this wonderful facial spray, hydrating and toning spray. So first we'll dice the cucumber. Here are some benefits of cucumber. Cucumber is rich in vitamin C, folic acid, and antioxidants, which helps in controlling inflammation or puffiness on your skin or face. It also helps in tightening your pores. It helps to improve your skin tone, especially if you have oily skin. And it's also good for irritated skin. So if you want any of the skin benefits for your body or your face, you should try incorporating cucumber to your skincare routine as a toner, as a cleanser, as a body cream, your body oil. There are ways to incorporate cucumber into all of these products that you use. So you go ahead and chop the cucumbers into cubes, cut them into cubes. This is to help blending, because we are going to blend it after this. And if you watch closely, I will end up using about half of the cucumber that you see in the video, about half of it. If you want more quantity, you can use the whole cucumber, the whole of it. Same thing with the aloe vera. So next we are going to blend the diced or chopped cucumbers to get it to the form that we want it to be. I added little water to help the blending, very little water. It always wants water. This is the consistency we need for this spray. Another secret way of using cucumber like this is to ice them as cubes and apply on your face directly. Next, we are going in with our aloe vera. After plucking your fresh aloe vera, you leave it for about 10 minutes for that yellowish substance. There's this yellowish substance that drips out of it. Afterwards, we'll peel the aloe vera, scoop the gel, the quantity that we need to make this mixture. Aloe vera has endless benefits. in skincare, healthcare, cosmetology, even in production of makeup. This plant hydrates your skin, soothes sunburn, it's anti-aging, and absorbs into your skin like magic. It lightens blemishes and tightens your pores. So just peeling out the gel, scooping it out, and watch what we are going to do next. So yeah, would whisk together and sieve this mixture. What we need is the juice that comes out from this mixture. So this is what we get from sieving it through a sieve. What's it called? Sifter, muslin cloth, whatever you have as your sieve, and then we'll put into the spray bottle. Please, I need a short plug for spray bottles. I've been doing lots of mixtures and I'm looking for different bottles for different consistencies. A short plug, please help me in the comment section and let me know. Thank you. So this is what it looks like. This spray tightens your pores. It changes the appearance of your skin in less than 30 minutes. You feel it. Once you spray it on your face after washing, if you like extra, like me, I'll be going in with lemon and honey. Lemon juice and honey. By the way, that is lemon, big lemon. It's usually very, it's not as juicy as the smaller ones, but it has its juice. Lemon and honey. We all know that these two are wonderful also for your skin. This is the lemon. We're going to be getting juice out of it. And know that you can use this any time of the day, any time of the day. One thing with keeping your face hydrated is that it makes your face look alive. Same way your face looks like when you wake up in the morning and you just put water, just ordinary water on your face. It changes the whole look. This is what this mixture is going to give to you. So I had to check with the measurement of this quantity that came out of the lemon. And from measuring it, I think we have about 2 tablespoons. 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. That's what we're going to be using. 2 tablespoons. Next, we'll go in with the honey. This is not up to a tablespoon. It's about half or a little bit more than half, 3/4 of a tablespoon. And then we'll mix it right in with the lemon juice. I know this tastes nice, but I'm not sure of the combination of aloe vera and cucumber. So this is going right into our aloe and cucumber mix. What should we call it? Aloe QQ aloe. And then with all of this aloe QQ lemon. So my fans, please manage my voice. I'm treating a cold. With this, your face or your skin is going to stay hydrated. It will change its appearance in less than 30 minutes. It will tighten your pores. It will keep it shiny. You see, it works like magic. Let me just put it like that. Once you spray it on your face, probably after washing your face, allow it to absorb into your skin before you can then apply your sunscreen or whatever thing you want to put on your face.